Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about exercise 1.1 of number system. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಾನು exercise 1.5 of number system unit ನ exercise 1.1 ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Let's see the first question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q where p and q are the integers? So this is the condition of rational numbers. So can we write 0 in the form of p by q? Is 0 a rational number? We have to say 0 is a rational number or not. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 0 rational number or not ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ rational number ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ q ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 0. If you divide by 0, what happen? That answer will be, we are getting infinity. In the previous video I told we should not divide any number by 0. If we divide by 0, we are getting the answer infinity. If you divide 1 by 0, you are getting answer infinity. So here they have given q should not be equal to 0. This is p here, denominator, this is q here. So here they have given q should not be equal to 0. So this condition we can't take. And p and q are integers. If you are taking 0 here, you have to divide by integer only. You can't divide by any decimal. For example, 3.5 like this. You can't divide by decimal. You have to divide by integer only. So this condition also we can't choose. Then which kind of number we have to use? We have to use only integers. What are the integers? Integers are, you can divide 0 by -1 or 0 by -2 and 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So in this way we can write the 0, because if you divide 0 by any number, we are getting answer 0 only. So if you are dividing 0 by any number, we are getting 0. So you can divide 0 by any number, but don't divide by 0. You can divide by positive integer also, you can divide by negative integer also, but you should not divide by 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ 0 ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಎಸ್ 0 ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Now let's see the next question. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So what is rational number? That we can write in the form of p by q. First step, we have to write 3 as well as 4 in the form of p by q. How to write 3 and 4 in the form of p by q? We have to divide by any integer. By which integer we can divide 3 as well as 4? We can divide by 1. If you divide 3 by 1, answer is 3 only. In the same way, if you divide 4 by 1, answer is 4 only. So we can divide both 3 and 4 by 1. Next step, we have to multiply both this numerator and denominator by 10. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. Multiply by 10. So when you multiply 3 into 10, we are getting, I will write like this first, 3 into 10 and 1 into 10, and here right side 4 into 10 and 1 into 10. What is 3 into 10? 3 into 10 is 30 and 1 into 10 is 10, and here 4 into 10 is 40, 1 into 10 is 10. Now you have to write the number that comes between 30 and 40. What are the numbers that comes between 30 and 40? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. In the same way you can write till 39, but here they asked only 6, so I am writing only 6 numbers here. After these, which denominator is here? Denominator is 10, so you have to divide all this number by 10. Divide all this number by 10. So these are the rational number that exist between 3 and 4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 and 4 ಅನ್ನು ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಂದ ಇಂಟೀಜರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 1ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 10ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 × 10 30, 4 × 10 40 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ 10 10 ಈಚ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 30 ಮತ್ತು 40 ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 30 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 40 ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 31 to 39. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 6 rational number that exist between 3 and 4. Now let's see the next question. Here they have given the number 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here this number already in the form of P by Q. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 10 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ 10. Multiply by 10 for both numerator and denominator. So 3 into 10 here left side and 5 into 10, and in the right side 4 into 10 and 5 into 10. What is 3 into 10? 3 into 10 is 30, 5 into 10 is 50, and your right side 4 into 10 is 40, 5 into 10 is 50. Now you have to write the number that comes between 30 and 40. Which are the numbers comes between 30 and 40? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here they asked only 5. So 5 number enough. Then we have to divide this number by the denominator which we have in here. Which denominator we have here? 50. So divide all this number by 50. So these are the 5 rational number that exist between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now let's see the next question. State whether the following statement are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. Let's see the first question. Every natural number is a whole number. So what do you think? Is it whether all the natural number is a whole number? First we learned about natural number, then we learned about whole number, then we learned about integer, then rational and irrational number, then we learned about real number. So this order that will be correct. All the natural number will be whole number, all the whole number will be integer, all the integers are rational number, and all the rational numbers are real numbers. So this order is true, but reverse order is not true. What is reverse order? All the real numbers are not rational number, all the rational numbers are not integers, all the integers are not whole number, and all the whole numbers are not natural number. This order is true, but reverse order is not true. So all the natural numbers is whole number. So this order is true, right? So this answer is also true. But what is the proper reason for that? What is a natural number? Natural numbers means only the positive numbers, right? Whole numbers are natural number including 0. Natural numbers are only the positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Only the positive number. So if we add 0 to this set, we are getting whole numbers. So all these natural numbers that comes in the whole number set. Whole numbers are nothing but natural number plus 0. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Next is the next question. Every integer is a whole number. So I told natural number order, then whole number, integer, rational and irrational, then real number. So this order is true. Every integer is a whole number. This is a reverse order. The reverse order is not true. So this is false, because what is the main reason? Integer containing negative numbers also. Integers are having negative numbers also. -2, -1, also 0, +1, +2. All the negative numbers also, positive numbers also. But whole number containing only 0 and the positive numbers. So all the integers are not the whole number. Negative numbers are not whole numbers. So all the integers are not whole number. Integer containing negative number also. Now let's see the next question. Every rational number is a whole number. Let's write that series again. Natural number, whole number, integer. Then we learned about rational and irrational number. Last we learned about real numbers. So this order is true, reverse order is not true. So every rational number is a whole number. So this is the reverse order. Reverse order is not true, that is false. But what is the proper reason for that? There are many reasons here. One thing is, see here, rational number may be terminating, non-terminating, recurring also, and it containing negative term also. Rational number we can write like this also, 0.33, right, that is repeating, and sum of the pi value, not pi value, that is irrational. Then terminating, for example 1/2. 1/2 we can write as 0.5, right? This is terminating, this is recurring. This is the one example of rational number. This is the rational number. But is it number that comes in the whole number set? Not, right? Whole number is not having decimal expansion. Whole number is having only the 0 and the positive number. So this is also one reason. Then it containing negative term also. When we write the rational number 1/2 or 1/4, we can include this p and q. They may be negative also or positive also. Negative also, positive also. That may be positive or that may be negative. But whole number containing only 0 and positive numbers. Whole number containing only 0 and positive number, but rational number containing negative number also, and rational number are terminating also, non-terminating also, non-recurring also. But whole numbers are having only 0 and the positive numbers. So all the rational numbers are not whole numbers. This is the answer for this question. It's all about today's video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.